Hello everybody, Zeff here. Thought I'd do a live second entry long voiceover for this trade that I took. Finally got some video editing software, so hopefully the videos will become better over time as I learn the software, so bear with me. This particular trade, as you can see, first entry long, second entry long. You could also say double bottom, two matching bar lows, also higher low, great signal bar closing on its high. Scalping 4 contracts here on the ES, trading PATS price action futures for any new watchers and or listeners. This is the frustrating part. I get literally one tick away from being filled on those 3 contracts. I was also, in my head, I was really liking this trade because of the whole bullish sentiment throughout the entire day. We also closed on the day. I'm recording this after the market closes, but we've just been in a bullish trend the whole entire day. So there's a lot of reasons, for context that I'm enjoying this. This is my 3rd trade of the day. I already did a video on my break even. So if you see the markers, the pink arrows, and the data points, don't worry about that. Just worry about the trade that I'm actually in. A little bit of my thought process here was, I'm confident that I can get the 1 point. I'm not, going into huge resistance. There's even room for 2 points, 2.5 points. So my 1 point definitely seems probabilistic. The only thing that I was scared here was of a failed second entry long. Was the only thing I was thinking of. Also, this resistance that I can't actually get through, basically because of the 1 tick. I thought there was a lot of sellers there, which there were. It just took basically the next bar to get me filled. Usually I can get filled for 1 point after your signal bar is formed. You get in. Sometimes it does take a second bar, but today's market was very slow with actual ticks. It felt like price was just choppy and choppy and choppy, and then it exploded up. So that's kind of how I felt today. Also, Mondays are not always the best for me, so it is what it is. But yeah, this trade, it is a winner. Just takes some time. Also, remember normal behaviors, normal results. So, you're sitting here at this particular moment. Your thought process is, should I just take the 0.75? Should I just forget the other 0.25? I can just get out of this trade. I can end the pain. But that's where it is really important to make sure you follow your rules and your risk management. Because if you don't let the trade play out and you keep cutting your winners or you keep cutting your losers or letting your losers run, then you'll never actually be trading a system. So that's really important to know, especially if you're a new trader here. As far as that's pretty much my thought process. I'm also thinking, hey, should I basically trail this stop? If this bar closes green on its highs, I'm going to trail this stop 1 tick underneath, depending on it, because if it goes 1 tick below that means it's a failure, and then I'll just take the loss because the probability of it going below my signal bar is extremely high. And yeah, now we'll just wait for this bar to close. Okay, and the bar closed, and you can see nice green bar closing on its highs. So that's basically when my thought process started to come in. Should I trail this stop? I initially do not. I do move my runner to just 1 point for 4 contracts. I'm not going to try to get a runner here. I got too much going on. This trade's already been stressful enough, so my mental conviction's already worn out, especially with the last 2 trades. And if I get greedy with it, then it won't be really anything. So that's why I just move it to 4 contracts, 1 point. I'm liking this setup. Once I see this actually hit my marker of 1 point, I have to wait for the limit order queue for, how NinjaTrader does its queuing. If you basically put a limit order in, you have to wait for your turn to get filled. So it usually has to tick through. There we go, ticks through. I get filled, and then I'm done with the trade for that second entry long. And after that, I was pretty tired mentally, so that was it. 1 trade, second entry long, higher low, double bottom, whatever you want to call it. And hope you guys enjoyed.